Hi, welcome back to Tech with Founder. Yeah, right. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about GATE exam. See, one exam can literally change your engineering career. IITs, PCUs, PSUs, research and semiconductor industry, MAMTech, government jobs, all through one exam. And that exam is GATE exam. See, now the biggest problem is most of the engineering students hear about GATE exam, right? But they actually don't know what it contains, right? What are the benefits and advantages of preparing for GATE exam, right? Now the right, they may have this type of doubts, like means what is GATE, who can write it, and is it difficult, and what type of questions come, which branches are allowed to write GATE exam, what are the real benefits of writing this GATE exam, and can an average student can crack GATE exam or not? This might be a many this type of doubt. A lot of students are having this type of doubts, right? And so in this complete video, so watch this complete video. I'm going to explain everything about GATE exam from basic to advanced level, from beginner to advanced level, right? See, see, this is not a normal video. This will be a complete roadmap. What are the to know about GATE exam? What are the benefits and advantages of writing this exam? And what to mean what about GATE exam, right? See, this video is especially for EC students. Watch this video completely because they this can complete change your career direction, right? Let's begin. See, let us understand uh, what is GATE. Generally, GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, right? See, the GATE exam is one of the India's biggest national level engineering examinations, right? It is mainly conducted by IITs and IISc, right? See, now many of students think like that GATE means only MTech. It's a wrong. It is not. It is a wrong assumption, right? See, no, that is only one small part you have thinking. See, gate is an actually a gateway. Gate is an actually gate open doors for lot. See, I'm going to tell that what mean by gateway. That gate opens, right? Like gate opens doors for IITs, NITs, IIITs, PSUs, research opportunities, PhD admissions, semiconductor industry, teaching careers, government organizations, higher technical education. See, in this exam mainly checks that your engineering knowledge, what the subjects you have learned, that concept you are going to check by there, and problem solving ability and technical understanding and aptitude and analytical thinking, right? That is why companies and industries respect GATE score. If you return a GATE score and you're qualified, you're a very good student. You have a special respect in society while comparing to other student, right? See, and remember this carefully. GATE exam is not an IQ test. It is a consistency test. It is a consistency test. Whoever preparing for GATE exam, they face a lot of struggles, and they revision may 20 to 30 times each subject. And they are going to master in the subject, right? See, average students also crack GATE exam with proper preparation, with proper consistency exam, right? I have explained right now why GATE is important, right? Right. Who can write GATE exam? Now many students can ask me, can I write GATE? Who are eligible for GATE? See, if you are a BTech student or a BE student and finally an engineering student, a graduated engineer, MSc student eligible subjects, then yes, you can write GATE exam very well. And many branches are allowed. Important branches include ECE, CSC, EEE, mechanical, civil, instrumentation, chemical, biotechnology, airplanes, aeronautical. There, while going to say that lot number of branches are available, right? See, GATE exam is going to read by a lot number of professors also. They are going to check the concept in depth of writing that GATE exam every year, right? See, well, coming to that now for EC students, that this exam is extremely valuable because GATE opens opportunities in like VLSI, embedded systems, semiconductor industry, communication systems, core electronics, chip design, and right now in our India, semiconductor industry is rapidly going, rapidly demanding, and increasing massive growth there right now. Yeah, right. Say, right. While coming to that, the GATE exam pattern, like what type of questions are going to, let us discuss the questions what in that GATE exam contents. Mainly GATE has MCQs, multiple choice questions. You get four options and you will correct one correct option, right? This usually have negative marking for section MCQs. While coming to MSQs, MSQ stands for multiple select questions. Here more than one option may be correct, two, three, or four, whatever it may be, more than one option, right? No negative marking usually. These questions test deep understanding in one concept. Like you have a note voltages are connected in a parallel. When we are going to collect voltages, when they are in the same like type of the in-depth of concepts when in network theory having transient analysis going to ask on a capacitor and inductor in-depth of concepts they may have MSQ, right? And coming to NAT questions, NAT stands for numerical answer type. Here no options are given, you directly going to enter the integer what you have got the answer, right? See, this is where concepts become extremely important. Now let me you tell the reality. Most of students fail not because the paper is impossible, they fail because concept they are weak in concepts, their revision is poor and practice is low, and time management is very bad. See, that's the truth what behind why they are failing. If you have a consistency about your exam and just prepare for 1 year about all subjects for that exam, you may definitely going to get a below 1000 rank and definitely going to enter IITs and NITs whatever your dream, right? Right. Now I have to tell about that. While coming to important subjects or in EC, you may all know that basically the basic subject is network theory, and after that you are going to choose your subjects what you are interested. Definitely, you are going to choose minimum 6 subjects, because when you are getting to score get at the below 1000 rank, you should need to take below above 6 subjects, right? This will be very useful to you. While coming to that, how difficult is gate means. See, difficult, you don't think it was difficult. You start preparation and go in depth of the preparation. See, while coming to reality, GATE is a competitive, very competitive. Lakhs of students prepare every year, right? Some students prepare for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 2 years, and maximum 3 years on based on them. And many students fail because they only depend on motivation. Motivation is temporary, right? Consistency is permanent, right? Top rankers are not superheroes here. They simply revise regularly, solving lot number of PYQs and analyzing their mistakes. They are making error notebook. What they have mistaken, they are going to write in that notebook, and they are going to solve next time. They are going to not repeat those mistakes, right? See, when I have explained that benefits of the gate also. If you are prepared for gate, you have lot number of opportunities. You may settle very well. You may have a very high respect in society, right? Right. These are the PSU opportunities I have explained right now. In While you go into IIT Tech, you may get these all. You may do specialization in this type of domains, right? See, in our India, there is a rapid semiconductor growth. If you are just if you are going to prepare for GATE, and you may score a GATE best rank and you may enter to in an industry. If you are prepared for in GATE network theory and control systems, signal systems, DLD, and after that you may have high chances to set in digital VLSA, right? VLSA actually contains digital VLSA and analog VLSA. If you prepare DLD, you may get into digital VLSA. If you prepare EDC and DIC, you may get into analog VLSA. Very well, right? Next. See, one thing I'm going to tell, most of the students doing mistakes allow they're watching many lectures. There is no proper revision, and they're ignoring aptitude, and they are not taking any mock test. If you're preparing means gate, after completing the concept, you may do lot number of PYQs, and you may take lot number of mock tests, right? See, don't compare with others. They have completed more than me. They have completed. They are forward more than me. They have advanced in subjects. You don't think like that. Just prepare as you are well and be fast, right? And be consistency and be very clear. I have told that how to prepare for GATE exam also right now. Yeah, I have told that common mistakes what are going to actually many students are going to do that. And next, while coming to how to prepare for GATE while going to college and coming, see, the basic preparation should be daily 5 hours. Daily 5 hours, 4 hours listening your concept or doing PYQs, and half an hour should be revision what you have done today, and take a little bit error notes what your mistakes are going to do that you have done, right? See, and final reminder I'm going to that GATE is not just an examination, it is a process that transforms an average engineering student into a disciplined technical professional. See, your college just gives you a degree, but your preparation gives your identity, right? Your society in society, your GATE rank gives your dignity, right? That should be very high level, right? Stay consistent and solve more questions, and you may revise properly and believe in yourself. You may get definitely best rank. See, and one day your success will speak automatically. Don't compare with others, right? And within some 2 to 3 days, I'm going to share that a better roadmap for GATE DC students. What type of from where to where start, basic to advanced. Uh, right. Thank you for listening this video. Thank you all.